All right, so gold or silver, they're both in that consolidation phase right now, and it's really starting to look good. It's starting to look like things are really gonna stay like this. So, what should we buy? Should we buy silver or gold? Stay tuned. I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Hello everyone and welcome back once again. I am Silver Britches, and in this video I did make a small purchase because I wanted to try out this company. And I just wanted, before I buy a whole bunch of bullion from them, I wanted to, just get a little taste, a little sample, because mostly I like to buy locally, you know what I mean? If I can find it here locally, then I will buy there instead. But I wanted to try them out because my LCS doesn't always have the 2020 stuff, so I have to order online mostly if I want the 2020 stuff. So not a paid thing, guys. So it's just keep that in mind, and it's from bullion exchanges. So I have a goal that I set back in January. I don't know if you guys were here for that, but I had to pick up, my goal was to pick up 100 of the 2020 Silver Eagles. And I've been sitting at 80 for quite some time. And the year's starting to get a little long. So kind of glad on that, I say we just go ahead and do away with that whole daylight savings time or the fallback time, whatever you want to call it. I say we do away with that this year, They can keep that extra hour this year, you know what I mean? So I picked up a couple of 2020 Silver Eagles, and I really wanted to do so because it's really gonna mess with my OCD. Because it's the last year of this design, right? So probably should have picked up 3 for this video, huh? So I wanted to pick up 100 Silver Eagles of the 2020 variety, and not because I don't think they're going to be low mentions, but it's the last year of this design, and it's going to be a goal that I set for myself. Now, the other thing that I have about this video is I'm kind of at a crossroads of what I want to buy next. Do I want to buy silver or do I want to buy gold? And that's where my head is right now. And I'm also wanting to wait for the 2020 Libertads, but I have a feeling those things are going to be stupid expensive. So I may just pick up just a few of them instead of trying to pick up an entire tube, because I just really don't want to pay ridiculous premiums if I can help it. I know they're going to be low mintage. I know they're probably going to be in that 200,000 mintage range, which is, and I may kick myself later for this, but I really don't want to pay that extra price, but I will if I have to. Now, mostly I stack government sovereign bullion, and the reason why I picked up all these 10 buffaloes is because I got them for $1 over spot or $2 over spot, and that was a very good deal. But now that the premiums are starting to come way down on silver, and my stack is really reflecting good 50-50 value range, which is what I've been shooting for, I'm having that fight right now with myself about whether I should buy silver, whether I should buy gold, or whether I should just keep buying both. And I'm probably going to just keep buying both. 1 month buy silver, 1 month buy gold. But I really think that I need to make a purchase this weekend, because I think both metals are about to make a nice little jump here in the next week or two. So I'm really wanting to pick up something this week. So like I said, I bought from bullion exchanges. I paid by check. It came a week and a half later. Pretty good product. So I'm happy with it. I need to fill the last tube, man. I gotta fill this last tube of 2020 Silver Eagles. And should I just go ahead and buy those, or should I just buy something else? And I'm probably gonna buy something else. So let me go to the website, and then I'll give you guys a little tour of their website. All right, so here's their website, bullionexchanges.com. Like I said, this is not a paid endorsement. This is just a common review of their website and their pricing, and I think it's fair. I think it's a fair company to buy from. So that's why I just decided to do like a little small purchase first, because if they send out good quality in a small amount, then you're going to get good quality from them. So typically I'm not trying to throw no shade in here or nothing, but typically your other bullion dealers, if you just make a small order, they're not really going to focus heavily on their quality, what they send you. So yes, the bullionexchanges.com, they have their charts, which I highly suggest you guys to research charts, man. Really check them out. It really, I could talk about that for days, but I'll leave that for other people. So what I'm interested in is some more fractional gold, really. I'd love to get another Buffalo, but I really want to make a purchase this weekend. So definitely the American Gold Buffaloes, or American Gold Eagles, or the Canadian Maples if I can get those. And to be honest with you, as far as silver, what I would probably do is the 10-ounce bars because of the pricing on the coins themselves. Where if you come down here, now that as low as, you're never going to get that price unless you buy like a monster box. So just keep that in mind. So as low as like the Silver Eagle, let's take a look at that real quick. So yeah, the as low as price is 30.51, whereas it's actually not a bad deal at all, really. 31.51 for the 2020 Silver Eagles. It's not bad. It's pretty good actually. And let's go back. Let's go back and let's look at the Maples as well. And yeah, 31.36. So very, very good. Very good pricing on that. So let's go up to the bars, man, which I have an affinity for these RCM bars, man. I really do. And A marks, look at that, 292. And there's the RCMs right there. Let's check those out. So 307. So cheaper. It's cheaper to get the bars. And this is a good delivery bar, guys. Your Maples are good delivery bars. They have the security features right here. They come with your serial number right there. And it's just a 4/9 bar. It's good delivery bar. It's a sovereign mint, and they are highly trusted and highly collected and sought after. So good price here. 307. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So definitely considering that. And as far as gold, well, let's take a look at the Gold Eagles. All right, so Gold Eagle coins. Let's take a look at that. Hey, knock it off over there. Dogs, man, gotta love them. So hey, of course you gotta read the fine print. You see right here where it says abrasions, random year. I don't want that. I want BU with my gold. So the 2020 half ounce, that's really what my perfect Goldilocks size as far as gold. The premiums are very low and the mintages are always very low. So I know a lot of people are like, well, it's bullion, mintage don't matter. Trust me, it matters to somebody. The mintage will matter to somebody, and they'll pay extra for it, believe it or not. So just remember that whenever you're buying your precious metals. Mintages do matter. So right here, 1,064, which is not bad. It's pretty good considering gold as 1957 per ounce. So not bad. Not bad. I like that price, and it's a good entry point. So let's go to, and my other favorite one is the Maples. Let's check out their Maples, what they got in stock. So yeah, good pricing here. I'm liking that, but no half ounce. They do have quarters. Let's check out their quarters then. So $5.39 for those. That's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. And of course, if you order that many, you get them in a big sleeve. But I'm not gonna make that. So yeah, that's the conundrum that I'm in right now, is whether I should buy gold, whether I should buy silver. And it's really difficult. And let's look at some charts while we're here. Let's see. Okay, the first one is gold. And let's look at the year. Or I'll tell you what, let's look at the max. So it goes all the way back to December 2018. And this right here, guys, this is a beautiful chart. Just look at the performance here of gold. That's why I'm interested in buying gold. Because as you see right here, it's a constant up. Except for the liquidity event right here in March of this year. It's a constant up. That is a gorgeous chart. That's what you want in your precious metals. You want them to keep going upwards like that. And that's the battle that I'm having with myself. Yes, I do need some more silver, but gold is starting to get really, really expensive. So that's the battle that I'm always having. So let's look at silver in the same time frame. So let's look at the max. So flat, right? Flat, 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 flat. Liquidity event right there. And then boom. That's the volatility of silver. It's supposed to keep up with inflation right here. It's having a hard time, right? And, you know, it ended the year pretty good last year. And started off this year. Hey, started off this year doing good. And then boom, liquidity event. Everything crashed. The fire sale. Hey, cut that out. God dang it, dogs, man. What are you going to do? Anyway, as you can see right here, man, we're having a nice consolidation phase. And let's look at the 1 month. So nothing really doing, right? Just hanging tight, hanging tight. And let's look at gold as the same. And let's do the 1 month. Same thing, hanging tight. So interesting, right? Very interesting on which one you should buy. And I really think both of these metals are about to take a nice little jump up. And I really want to get something before it does. All right. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. I really do appreciate you watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And as always, guys, keep grinding on your stack.